shadows where the raindrops fall. I stand alone, my heart feels so small. Memories linger like a ghost in the night. Whispers of love that once felt so right. Every drop of water echoes your name. This heart of mine still plays the same game. Underneath the streetlights, I feel so lost, counting the moments, paying the cost. But the storm won't wash away my pain. In this downpour, I call out your name. In the rain, I drown my tears. Every drop reveals my fears. Heartbreak's melody in the night, lost in shadows, seeking the light. Oh, when the rain, let it pour, washing away what I can't ignore. You're the sun that lit up my days. Now I'm just caught in this endless haze. Every street I walk feels like a dream, searching for solace in this silent scream. And though the